Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix M.2 SSD not display the partition when you format this laptop. Alright, here one of the laptop here is HP brand here, as you see here. When I turn on the laptop here, yeah, it will display like this something. You see here, BitLocker requires something else, and then we press the escape here. See here, there's something, it will happen like this, and then we press escape here. Alright, if we press continue with the English language mataba. Alright, also the same problem. Alright, so this laptop we're gonna format. Alright, okay guys, let's start with the USB pen drive here, which one is with Windows 10. Alright, see, turn on the laptop, and then here you can press the escape to display this screen here, and we press the F9 here. Alright, see here, we shows the USB pen drives. We send this here, and then enter. Let's see here right now. Alright, shows, let's choose we need the Arabic language because we live here into the Arabic country. Alright, and then enter, and then next. Alright, and then install here. Here next, and then here click here. See here, here's the problem. Okay, no display the partition, no display the any partition here. Alright, because here is problem. Okay, so here is problem. Here is working also M.2 SSD, and then even we can see the M.2 SSD to the BIOS. Alright, and then also no display here. Okay, this is driver problem actually. Okay, and then after that we're gonna go to the website to download the driver of M.2. Okay, and then after finishing the downloading, and then we will put this driver to the pen drive. Alright, and then we will continue. Alright, okay guys, we're gonna go to the website to download the driver of Intel RST VMG driver. Alright, Let's open the website here. Type here Intel RST VMD driver, right, and then enter here, and then this is here. Click the first one here, all right, and then from here, okay, we will find the latest version here, all right. So from here, all right, here, not this one, okay, no need non VMD, okay, we will download this one, all right, click here, okay, and then right now download it here, all right, download finish, okay, and then we're gonna go file destination here, all right, okay, and then extract here, and then make copy here, and then make new folder, all right, pass here, all right, pass here, and then extract here, all right, extract here, and then here is a folder here. After that, this folder copies to Windows flash drive, all right, copy to make copy, and then paste flash drive, all right, paste here, flash drive, paste here, paste here, all right, and then I already pasted here, but I just showing you to understand briefly, all right, and then let's go here, all right. Okay, after putting a driver to the flash drive, okay, and then we put here, all right, and then we're gonna go here, browse in Arabic تحميل برنامج تسجيل, all right, click here, and then browse, which means in Arabic in storage. I don't understand Arabic better, but I already know this is browse. Okay, well, we're gonna select here Windows drive, click here, and then our file is here, all right, click here, and then click here, and then click here, and then okay, all right, here's two files, all right, and then we're gonna show us first one, and then next. In Arabic, ta'ali, it means next. Next is here. Wait a second. Wow, it's here. Wow, it's here. Before not showing the partition, right now showing the partition here. Let's see here. All right, Alright, right now we're gonna delete all of this partition, and then we're gonna format here from here. Okay, delete, delete, delete. Here in Arabic language, hadif, it means delete. Alright, delete, delete, and here make the partition here. Alright, make the partition here, apply, okay. Alright, and then format, and then next. Alright, here it's fixed successfully. Alright, okay guys, thank you for watching.